Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie Garcia, and I'm not just your average YouTuber. You see, I'm on a journey of self-discovery, transformation, and empowerment. I've lost an astounding 186 pounds, a feat that has not only changed my appearance but also my perspective on life. And that's not all. I've also been blessed with 2 new knee replacements, opening up a world of possibilities for me. I'm here to share my story, my triumphs, my struggles, and my insights with you all. This isn't just about me. It's about all of us growing older and making the most out of every moment. It's going to be an exciting adventure, and I would love for you to be a part of it. So please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and let's embark on this journey together. Remember, age is not a barrier, it's a launching pad to new adventures. And before I forget, I want you to know that I love you all. Now let's dive right into the promise of happiness in our senior years, shall we? Why do they say you're not getting older, you're getting better? Because it's true. Just like a fine wine, we all have the potential to improve with age, to deepen in richness and complexity. Now I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon, and you'd be right, you're much better. You're a unique blend of experiences, wisdom, and potential that no wine, no matter how fine, could ever match. You see, the beauty of growing older is that age is merely a number, a tally of the trips we've taken around the sun. But what truly matters is how we use those years, how we continue to learn, grow, and explore. Yes, you heard me right, explore. It's never too late to find a new hobby, delve into a new interest, or even start a new career. After all, Colonel Sanders didn't start KFC until he was in his 60s, and look how that turned out. And let's not forget about the wisdom and experience that come with age. Those are the true gifts of growing older. The ability to look back on life, to see the patterns, to understand the ups and downs, the twists and turns. It's like having a map of life, a guide that can help us navigate the future with more confidence and grace. But let's not forget to have a bit of fun along the way. After all, laughter is the best medicine, and a good chuckle can do wonders for the soul. So here's a little joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. And that's the key, isn't it? To embrace our senior years with a sense of humor, a dash of curiosity, and a whole lot of positivity. To see every day as a new opportunity, a new adventure. Because at the end of the day, our age doesn't define us, we define our age. Remember, the golden years can truly be golden if we embrace the journey with a positive mindset. Now, let's talk about the fountain of youth. It's not a myth. It's called taking care of your health. And no, it's not about chasing after lost youth, but about embracing the wisdom of our years and nurturing our bodies to support our journey. Staying active is crucial, and I don't mean you need to run a marathon or bench press your body weight. It's about moving your body in a way that feels good. A stroll in the park, a gentle yoga class, or even dancing in your living room to your favorite tunes. The goal is to keep our bodies flexible, our hearts pumping, and our spirits high. Eating well is another cornerstone of health. Nutrient-rich foods nourish our bodies, boost our immune systems, and even sharpen our minds. Fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats should be on your plate. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to a balanced diet. But let's not forget about mental health. It's just as important as physical health. Activities that keep your mind sharp, like puzzles or reading, can help. So can staying connected with loved ones, engaging in hobbies, and practicing mindfulness or meditation. Remember, it's okay to seek professional help if you're feeling down. You're not alone, and there are resources available for you. Regular checkups are not to be overlooked. It's important to stay on top of any medical conditions and to catch potential issues early. Regular screenings and follow-ups with your healthcare provider are crucial. It might not be the most fun activity, but it's a key part of taking good care of yourself. Lastly, let's talk about laughter. They say it's the best medicine, and it's true. A good laugh can boost your mood, reduce stress, and even relieve pain. So whether it's a funny movie, a joke from a friend, or a hilarious cat video, let yourself enjoy a good chuckle. Stay fit, stay healthy, and watch your life change for the better. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it sure does help. Let's talk about some resources that can ease your financial burden. Growing older doesn't necessarily mean tightening your belt and counting every penny, even if you're living on a fixed income. There are numerous resources out there designed to help you, and today we're going to delve into 2 of them. Grants.gov and findhelp.org. Grants.gov is a fantastic platform with a wealth of information about government grants. Now you might be thinking, grants, aren't those for college students or nonprofits? Well, yes, they often are, but there are also grants specifically designed for individuals, including seniors. These grants can provide substantial financial support for a range of needs from housing to healthcare and even hobbies like gardening or crafting, so it's definitely worth a look. Moving on, let's explore findhelp.org. This site is a treasure trove of resources for anyone facing financial hardships. It can connect you with local, state, and national programs that can assist with things like groceries, utilities, and rent. It even includes resources for mental health services and job training. In short, it's a comprehensive tool for anyone seeking assistance. One thing to remember is that these resources are not handouts. They are investments in you and your well-being. And just like any good investment, they can yield great returns. With a little financial breathing room, you might find yourself able to pursue a new hobby, volunteer, or even start a side hustle. Financial security can open doors to a richer, fuller life. But perhaps the most important thing to remember is this: there's no shame in seeking help. Life throws curveballs at all of us, regardless of our age. These resources are there to provide support when we need it. So don't hesitate to reach out and take advantage of them. Remember, there's no shame in seeking help. These resources are there for you. Ever wished for a magic wand that makes life easier? Well, we might just have the next best thing. The world is brimming with ingenious products designed to simplify our lives, and we are here to explore those that particularly cater to the needs of seniors. We believe that the right tool can turn an everyday struggle into a breeze, and we're excited to share those discoveries with you. Imagine a world where opening a jar doesn't feel like a wrestling match, where reading small print doesn't require a magnifying glass and a bright light, or where climbing stairs doesn't feel like scaling Mount Everest. Such is the magic of well-designed products. They shrink the mountains into molehills. They turn the impossible into the doable. Now, we're not talking about fancy, high-tech gadgets that require a degree in computer science to operate. We're talking about simple, user-friendly tools that have one job and do it well. These could range from home appliances that are easy on the joints to mobility aids that offer a helping hand when needed. And we're not just going to talk about these products. We're going to put them to the test. We'll be your guinea pigs, trying out these items in real-life scenarios to see if they live up to their promises. We'll look at the good, the bad, and the ugly, because we believe you deserve nothing but the truth. We'll also be seeking out your suggestions and experiences. If you've found a product that has made your life easier, we want to hear about it. After all, the best advice often comes from those who walk the walk. So, whether you're on the hunt for a better can opener, a more comfortable pair of shoes, or a gadget to help with gardening, we're here to help you find it. Stay tuned for our product reviews. They could be game changers for your daily life. Who said retirement means the end of work? Let's explore some exciting side hustles and interests. We all know that old saying, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. But have you ever heard its lesser-known counterpart, all play and no work makes Jack, well, a little bored? The truth is, many of us enjoy the structure, purpose, and yes, even the challenge that work provides. And retirement doesn't have to mean the end of that. Let's delve into side hustles, those small ventures you can undertake not just for a bit of extra cash, but also for the sheer joy of doing something you love. For instance, if you're a wizard with a knitting needle or a maestro in the kitchen, why not turn your hobby into a small-scale business? You could sell your creations online or at local fairs. Or perhaps you've always had a knack for teaching. Offering tutoring services, either in person or online, is a fantastic way to share your knowledge with the younger generations. And let's not forget about pet sitting or dog walking services, a perfect side hustle for animal lovers. Side hustles aren't just about making money, though. They're also about staying active, engaged, and connected to your community. Volunteering, for instance, is a wonderful way to give back, meet new people, and make a difference. And what about those interests and passions you never had time to pursue before? Retirement is the perfect time to explore them. Always wanted to learn to paint or speak Italian? There's no time like the present. The key is to find something you love, something that challenges you, and something that makes you excited to get up in the morning, because at the end of the day, that's what life is really about, isn't it? So get ready to explore a world of opportunities, because age is just a number, and it's never too late to start something new.